Hello my dear children of class 7. Today we are going to learn about divisions. See, plus divided by plus is equals to plus. Plus divided by minus is equals to minus. Minus divided by plus is equals to minus. Minus divided by minus is equals to plus. So these are the four main rules of divisions which you already know from multiplication. They are both same. Same signs is always plus. And opposite signs, if you divide, the answer is minus. Alright, so let's begin with the exercise. So in exercise 14.4, question number 1 part 1, you are having 99m square n square divided by minus 11m square n. So this will be like 99m square n square divide minus 11m square n. So first 11 ones are 11 nines are. First cancel the numbers. This is plus divided by minus, so answer will be minus 9. M square means m into m, n square means n into n. Whole divided by m square means m into n. So m and m will cancel like this, and n will cancel. So you are left with minus 9n. This is your answer. Next, in number 2, you are having minus 27p to the power 4 q to the power 3 r to the power 2 divided by minus 9p to the power 3 q to the power 2 r. So this can be written as minus minus cancels, 9 ones are 9 threes are 3. P to the power 4 means 4 times I will multiply p. Q to the power 3 means 3 times q multiplication, and r square means r into r. Whole divided by p to the power 3 means p into p into p, q square means q into r. So p and p will cancel like this, p and p will cancel, and again p and p will cancel. Q cancels like this, 1 r and r cancels. So you are left with 3p, 1 q and 1 r. So this is your answer. In number 2 part 1, we are having 16a cube minus 14a square divided by 2a square. That is a monomial dividing a binomial. So 16a cube minus 14a square by 2a square. See how you will do. 16a cube by 2a square minus 14a square by 2a square. So we will separate each of the terms of the binomials with, and we will divide it with by the monomial. So 16 by 2, 2 ones are 2 8s are. So this is coming out as 8 a cube by a square minus 2 ones are 2 7s are. A square by a square you can directly cancel over here only. So it will become just minus 7. So 8 a cube means a into a, and a square means a into a. So a and a will cancel, a and a will cancel, minus 7. So 8a minus 7. This is your answer. Alright children. In part 2, we are having a monomial dividing a trinomial. So each of the terms of this trinomial will be divided by 3m. So we will have 18m cube minus 9m square plus 3m whole divided by 3m. So 18m cube by 3m minus 9m square by 3m and plus 3m by 3m. So this will become 3 ones are 3 6s are, 3 ones are 3 3s are, 3 and 3 will cancel, and here m and m also you can directly cancel. So 6m cube means m into m by single 1m minus 3m into m square by 1m plus, since the whole thing is cancelled, it will become 1 by 1 means 1. Here you can cancel 1m and 1m. Here also 1 and 1m will be cancelled like this. So 6m into m is m square minus 3m plus 1. This is your final answer. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this, children. I will give you some homework. Please complete those, and we will continue with this in the next class. Thank you, children.